Welcome to DIY Future Project. DIY is an Erasmus Plus funded project aiming at teaching young people DIY skills to increase the lifetime of products and sustainable consumption. In this unit, we will talk about gardening and landscaping. Gardening is more than just planting flowers or growing vegetables. It's a thrilling adventure, a way to blend your creativity, embrace responsibility, and connect with nature, all while creating something truly your own. We'll guide you step by step to design your DIY garden. From choosing the perfect spot to exploring creative ideas like vertical gardening, we've got you covered. Get ready to dive into practical tips, interesting ideas, and fun activities that will help you bring your garden to life, no matter the size of your space. Keep learning by exploring DIY Future contents on the website www.diyfuture.eu.